Okay, so today we have the equation of a line, negative 2x plus y equals 3. And you can see the graph of this line right here. And along this line is made up of just millions of points. But a couple of points that we can see on it here are the x and y intercepts. So right here we have a point 0, 3. And right here we've got a point, the x-intercept is negative 1.5, 0. Now the way that we can see that these points really are on the line is we can plug them into the equation, and if it comes out equal, we know that we actually have a point on the line. So let's do 0, 3 first. We'll put in our x of 0 and our y of 3 from this ordered pair. X is 0. Remember, the x value always comes first, and then there's the y value. So if we do that, we'll have negative 2 times 0 plus 3 equals 3. And if we take negative 2 times 0, well, that's just 0. And 0 plus 3, of course, is just 3. And so we see that it does come out equal. The left side is equal to the right side. So that verifies that that 0.03 really is on the line. And we could try the same thing for negative 1.5, 0, and we would see that it does actually come out equal. Okay? And now for any other point on the line, you could also test that. So if you followed the slope of the line, which we could do, let's just put this in slope-intercept form by adding 2x to both sides. So if we add 2x to both sides, we'll have y equals 2x plus 3. So from slope-intercept form, we can see that our y-intercept is at 3, which we saw here, and our slope is 2, meaning it's going to go up. Rise over run will be up 2 over 1. So here we can see that slope. All right, so I'm going to just look at this ordered pair right here. That ordered pair, we're going over to 1, up to 5, so that's the point 1, 5. And we can test and see if that's actually on our line by putting in 1 for x and 5 for y. So if we did that, if we put the 1 in for x right here, we would have 2 times 1. Well, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we would get 5 equals 5. The y would be 5 on the left, and on the right we would have 5. Okay, and then you could test something not on the line and see that it doesn't make it true. So we could test a point over here. If we tested the point 6, 0, if we put in 6 for the x and 0 for the y, we would have negative 2 times 6, which is negative 12, plus 0. Negative 12 plus 0 is negative 12, and that, of course, is not equal to 3. So you can see any points that are not on the line will not make this equation true.